To change keyboard language on Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is first go into the settings. From here you will have to scroll all the way down and go for the additional settings. Next, from here you have to go for the languages and input, and right here you'll have to go for manage keyboards. Let's tap on this one, select the Gboard, and right here there are all of these keyboard settings including languages. So tap on this one, and here you have to press this add keyboard button, and right here there is this list of all of these different languages, and you can additionally search for language using this text box. So let's for example add Spanish language right here, and yeah, any Spanish language, simply tap on this one, and here you can manage different options of the keyboard, like for example and multilingual typing. Simply press done after you are done with like customizing this keyboard, and as you can see we have now this Spanish keyboard right here. We can also grab it and drag it as the on the first place, so this will be our main language on this keyboard. And that's basically how you can do this.